Good morning. Here's your detailed weather update for the United Kingdom on Thursday, August 7, 2025, at 9 a.m. A strong Atlantic weather system is sweeping across the country, bringing very gusty winds especially to Scotland, Northern Ireland, and Western England. Wind speeds are reaching up to 60 km per hour in some areas, with particularly rough conditions over Lerwick, Inverness, and coastal Wales. Rainfall is expected throughout the day, with light to moderate showers across most regions. The heaviest rain is likely in northern Scotland and parts of central England. Temperatures remain mild, ranging between 14 and 17 degrees Celsius, with London and Hull at 14 degrees Celsius, Dublin at 16 degrees Celsius, and Swansea and St. Helier at 17 degrees Celsius. It's a day to carry your umbrella and drive carefully as wind and rain could impact visibility and travel. Stay safe and stay updated with your local weather reports.